Sloths, birds, Ewoks, elves, they all live up in the trees, so why don't more of us? Some ancient tribes regarded living higher off the ground a means to gain more clarity, creativity, and spiritual enlightenment. It's Glen, back to talk about some fantastical tree homes, houses, and hotels that might inspire you to rethink your living situation.
Number 10.
In the rainforest of Keemala is the Keemala Villas, which will genuinely call to the romantics and bohemian enthusiasts. Tree pool houses and bird's nest pool villas are some magical cabin options, offering stunning views of the rainforest. The Sky Clan inspired the tree pool houses design and believed living more elevated from the earth would gift more creativity and freedom. This two-level dome comes with a private pool overlooking nature, hanging furniture, and a luxurious bathroom with a monsoon shower and standalone bathtub. Influenced by the Nest Clan, who believed in a wealthy lifestyle and loved exclusivity, is the more expansive Bird's Nest Pool Villa. The private pool hangs off the edge with partial sea and forest views with a beautiful sun deck. Be encouraged to bathe under the moonlight, as the clan believed it would replenish their souls, and then retreat to the luxurious king bed. This blissful resort offers wedding ceremonies, spa treatments, chakra aligning, cuisine dining, and beach fun nearby. As usual, for more details, including pricing, visit the descriptions box below.
Number 9.
Here's a treehouse that can be easily transported to and fro. Bruno de Groen and architect Nicolas Dercel desire to encourage a better relationship with man and nature, so the dome-up treehouse was created. Its 172 square foot space is made up of galvanized steel and removable wood flooring, and only needs 2 trees to support it. The thermo-welded tarpaulin roof gives it the feel of a sophisticated tent, but its open floor plan and surrounding railing make it a well-put-together treehouse. Its interior gave off a cheery vibe with its light color and rounded windows. With its arboreal fixing system, it is affirmed to leave minimal impact on its tree buddies. In the coming future, the designers are planning to have an upgraded version of the treehouse out, with a firewood heating system and better improved insulation. We're totally here for it. Featured before on the channel, the Pinecone Treehouse in California has us amazed with its one-of-a-kind design and 360-degree views. The see-through layered shingled walls and 2 triangular-shaped floor panels keep you at one with nature. O2 Treehouse's purpose is to connect you deeper with nature and your inner truth. If any treehouse can do that, we believe this one can.
Number 8.
Basically a wicked cool, livable pine cone. The Pigna's design by Luca Beltrame and Gabriele Pascuti hugs trees 32 feet off the ground. Its individualistic exterior is created from cross-laminated timber and is insulated with wood fiber. On the first floor, guests can fully admire a 360-degree panoramic view. Moving on to the second floor is where a kitchen, wood-accented bathroom, and living area are, with a sliding glass door that allows you to venture out on a deck, keeping your eyes engaged with the Friuli Alps in Italy. On the third and final level is a double bed with a skylight above. So even when you pass out to dreamland, you can engage with nature's beauty. You can rent this wonder for 2 people with breakfast and dinner service included. I don't know about you, but this one is on my bucket list.
Number 7.
Uniquely shaped, this treehouse done by Ravenkar Potokar is supported on slanting legs, lifting it into a green, twiggy haven. This intricate design is made from spruce plywood and protected by a colorless nano varnish, while the roof is covered with cardboard, resisting most inclement weather. A floor-to-ceiling window makes up the back wall, keeping one open to the elements outside. You don't have to be a kid to enjoy this one, but hey, if the shoe fits. We see this one as what it might be like living inside an acorn. In Canada, these are free spirit spheres that you can rent, giving yourself a unique experience among the trees. Inside is a snug space which resembles the captain's quarters from an old ship, with 2 large windows and adjustable lighting. Each sphere is unique, with showers and a sauna nearby.
Number 6.
What do you think about a treehouse inspired by Minions, with the looks of something that would belong on one of the moons from a Star Wars galaxy? Pract, an architecture studio, has it figured out with the Bert, its evolutionary spherical design. Its circular base would stem out, hosting modular cells containing the living space, bedroom, bathroom, and kitchen. The idea is to have a metal frame surrounding wood and leaf-like shingles so that it morphs with its surroundings. Come spring of 2020, these modules will be available. What's cool is that you can design a Bert with multiple cells, creating yourself a modern castle. And you can add a rooftop garden if your little heart so desires. Ethan Slusher has built himself what looks like an elevated playland, being able to zip line down to his main quarters and lift up to his bedroom in the trees. His treehouse may sound simple, but what makes it unique is his elevator system, using a bike to propel himself up. Ethan and his partner Asa also built a rotating 2-story treehouse. Innovative creating, right?
Number 5.
Here's one of the most innovative 3-part treehouses we've ever seen. Cambium, a design firm, created the Erlebnest with a lounge, shell, and cocoon. They keep a ropes course flair to it with its open design and many nets. Its floor space can hold 4 people, and its tarpaulin roof ensures protection from the wind and rain. The cocoon is indeed inspired by that of a butterfly and hangs freely from 2 steel cables. It makes for a cozy sleeping area, and if bad weather comes, you can adjust the roof in a few easy steps. Something about it just calls to one's inner child. Open the hatch. We're ready for a tree party. Way futuristic, like something from Tron, is the Mirror Cube Treehouse in Sweden. It looks almost invisible, reflecting the forest around it. Accommodating 2 people, it has a double bed, bathroom, living room, and roof terrace. The interior is bright with some abstract pieces and shapes, but still gives one a sense of connection with nature.
Number 4.
20 feet above the ground in Canada is the 4 Treehouse, designed by Lukasz Kos. Built around 4 trees and elevated by steel cables, this unique tree hut rocks with the wind but keeps you secure in its plywood walls. The walls have a see-through effect, while the interior is kept simple, inviting guests to experience traditional camping without all the bells and whistles of technology.
Number 3.
It's like a glamorized Ewok village. In the Patagonian forest is the Nothofagus Treehouse Hotel, which has 55 rooms with impressive views. The Nothofagus is part of the architectural complex of the Julio Biological Reserve, encouraging its newcomers to get back to nature. Made entirely from wood, and with its shape based after the Nothofagus tree, it blends in beautifully with the forest. The hotel is 7 floors, with each room having a bathroom with naturally heated spring water. You won't run short on activities here either, with hot springs, skiing and snowboarding, volcano touring hiking trails, and even a wild boar farm. Time to vacation and party like an Ewok. Designed as an alien spacecraft, the UFO Tree Hotel is bound to make your getaway feel out of this world. A spotlight shines upon descending stairs, which lead to a spacious area that can house 5 people, and there's a toilet, so you don't have to worry about those morning coffee runs. Honored with the Sweden's Grand Tourism Award, it's worth a gander.
Number 2.
Beginning as the Yellow Treehouse restaurant, the Redwoods Treehouse in New Zealand changed ownership. Now, it's offered as a special event space. Working with Pacific Environments, Tracy Collins had this enchanting human cocoon or bird-like cage designed to mimic some of that which we see in nature. It has had its time in the spotlight too, featured in an episode of the Shannara Chronicles. You find your way up by an extra-long elevated bridge walkway. The curved body is built from pine and poplar and has a see-through effect so that you can admire the activities of nature around you. With the tables, the Redwoods Treehouse can hold up to 30 people or 50 people freestanding. It sure looks like it'd make an enchanting wedding or fantasy film venue.
Number 1.
In Texas, in the Cypress Valley, is the luxury treehouse retreat, the Yoki, designed by Artistry. Its name translates to rain, inspired by the region's springs and aquifers and the essential life-sustaining quality of water. Positioned and built around 2 cypress trees, the 500-square-foot treehouse is above a spring-fed creek. Inside is a modernly stylish living room, kitchen, and large bedroom, while another sleeping space can be accessed further up by a ladder. It has that modern loft feel, but with many windows and the sounds of nature, it vibes as a peaceful sanctuary. The Yoki is eco-friendly too, with an array of solar panels and a system for capturing rainwater. See, you can totally live or vacation in Treeland while still functioning with all your essential needs met. From modern to more traditional designs, the world has you covered with options. UFO style or acorn style? Which would you choose? For whichever one struck you, find out more details about it at the links below in the descriptions. Thanks for joining. Talk to you soon.